If you want to download this photo, you can find the link in the description. Create a gradient layer. Select the radial style. I use the classic method. Select the gradient. Select the left opacity stop and lower the opacity to 0%. Select the right opacity stop and make the opacity 100%. Make both color stops the same color. I make them white, but you can use any color you want. Move the opacity stops to change the size of the circle. You can also move the opacity midpoint. If you want, you can also adjust the scale. And that's how you place a photo inside of a circle with soft edges.